Guys, I've been going in circles. Jesus, Caesar. Hey guys, so today I'll be taking you on a little tour with me. I'll be going to the trail in Oxford. Just arrived at the location. Let me give you a tour. Okay, so the trail is over there. I just parked over here by the Rebel Gym, Old Miss Gym. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, guys. It's 59 degrees today, so definitely a good day to go on the trail. Oh, I have to tell you guys, it's been so cold. Like 59 isn't warm, but it is so warm. Like I'm just wearing a hood. Generally, thermal clothes, beer things. But stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, out across an intersection. You look for the white lines, of course. You ensure that the traffic sees you. Hold up your hand like this, and then you walk. That's it. Okay, so got it, guys. I'm at the trail. No parking tour zone. Okay, so let's read the sign. Welcome to the South Campus Rail Trail. No unauthorized vehicles past this point. Okay. Oh, big stone. Okay, people, big stone. 2 big stones. Alright, let's go have some fun, people. Okay, I'll show you around. Okay, I wonder how long it's gonna take me to complete the trail. Okay, so I started at 3:14 p.m. walking very, very moderately. Yeah, let's go with the pace. Show you the side scenery. Real bush, but different bush. This has a lot of leaves. I'm hearing a sound over here. But of course I'm black, so I'm not gonna go check it out. No. The sound is getting louder. Sounds like a woodpecker. Oh, it's a woodpecker, guys. It's right there. Right there. Look at it, knocking on the wood. That's so cool. It's knocking. Okay. Whoops, whoops. Hopefully I can see it. It's right there. See it moving? Let me zoom in for you guys. Anyways, guys, that was the first adventure. Now let's move on to something else. Continue to walk the trail. A lot of people walking, so you know it's safe, or I think it's safe. Hopefully it is. All right, so now we have a little hill slide here. I wonder if I should try to slide. Maybe not. Another time. We have a little bike rack here, so I guess you could ride and walk. Oh, it's a little play area. Okay. Play area. Okay, fresh water. Feed the birds. The dog, maybe. Okay. There's the garbage bin. Okay. Alright, it's getting a little bit chilly. I guess the temperatures are moving from 59, making their way down to 58. Oh, by the way, if you wonder why I look so cute, it's because I showered. I realize that anytime I shower, I look cute. Boy, I look good. Yeah, maybe keep this on. Okay, cycling bathroom. Okay. Ooh, this looks cool. Looks like a little, I don't know if this is a ditch. Be cool to check it out. Nah, another time. So there's this red dot right here. I think that means quarter mile, half mile, I don't know. Oh well. Okay, this says North Loop Straight. Don't know what the hell that is, but we keep it on the track. Oh, we have two children up there playing. Oh, hopefully you don't fall. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. They're brave. Hopefully I reach soon. So, let's keep moving. Whew. Okay, so we're at another crossroad. I think there's a bunch of rail/trail going up here. Should I check it out? Oh, there's actually another trail down there. It's like a shortcut. That looks cool. That looks cool. Okay. I'll just go straight, and then maybe when I'm coming back, I check out these shortcuts/branch off. That's bamboo, guys. It's bamboo. Okay. Ooh. I really wanted to slide off here, so guys, should I or should I not? Let's go with not. Whoa, a lot of trees have been falling over there. They're just underground. Should have worn gloves. My hands are getting cold. See that, guys? It's getting cold. Okay. All right, guys. This is the aerial view. Long, tall trees. Okay. Everybody going on a different path. I'm not sure what to do. I'll just continue straight. But those persons went down there. Don't know why. Guys, have you ever feel like somebody's watching you before? Like, I'm walking on videoing, of course, and I just feel like somebody's watching me. Every time I look, it's like I can feel something watching me. And I'm alone right now, so you know your senses are a little heightened. But I'm black, so, and I brought my running shoes, so I run. Yeah, run. I run like how this white girl is running. See that, guys? So people, look at this. Me in my hood. People in them shots, run it. Oh, that makes sense. I don't know. Okay, at another branch off section, and I'm gonna go straight because straight is the way to go. This sign says no ATVs or RVs on bike trail. So, okay, so this is another bike trail, which is, as you can see, it is pretty cool. So yeah, I'll keep you posted, guys. Oh, there's a house over there. Talk about living in the bushes. Oh, for those of you if you're just watching the video or if you have skipped it, I'm at the South Campus Trail. This is in Oxford, Mississippi. It's definitely a trail. I would recommend coming late or be by yourself. But you don't so through my back. Scrap that, but yeah, this is definitely a great hiking thing to do, like just to walk without thinking or exercising because there's so much to see. So I'd recommend it. Alright guys. Looks like there's a little dumpster going on over there. Oh babe. Oh guys, the trail is really long. Look at that. My super zoom. No end. Wow. Something is coming, I can hear it. Oh, it's a bicycle. Guys, if you play Call of Duty or any other games, like the sounds that you hear running behind me, like before somebody passes me, you know, that's the sound you hear when you're playing Call of Duty. And, you know, it is somebody's running up on you to like knife you or something. Alright guys, stay tuned. If I see anything interesting again, I'll definitely blog it. Over there look cool. I always wanted to go in the bushes, you know. Like, you know, when you're watching like these movies and people running and they always fall, I just want to go in there and run and see if I would fall. Like if somebody is running me down. But the Jamaican in me or the black in me saying stay on the path, don't deviate. So I'm staying on the path, not deviating at all. Alright guys, minutes update. It's now 3:29. So I've been walking for 15 minutes now. Oh, doesn't feel that way. Oh wait, there's a creek. There's a creek. It's 5.5 miles from time. See, I tell them say it'll take me 30 minutes to walk 1 mile. Oh, it's dirty. What do we have over here? Nothing. Wow. Just 0.5 miles. Do you know how long the trail is? No? Okay. Oh, earphones. Guys, there's a squirrel. Let me zoom in on the action for you guys. Ooh. 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 Hard to follow them. Wow. They're fast. They're very fast. Alright, don't come in this direction, please. So why did they stop? Okay, so I just asked somebody how long is the trail. She said many miles. And I said more than 3. And she said, oh yeah, definitely so. I think woo, I think I'll turn back after maybe 4 miles. So it'll be 8 miles in total. But we'll see. Just go with the flow. Like I said, it's gonna be dark soon, so if anything I'd have to jog back, you know. And there's a thing like when you're walking and going somewhere, it just feels far. When I'm going back, it feels so near. So yeah. Alright, well, I'll just keep you posted, guys. Okay guys, I'm coming up on the end of the road and there seems to be an apartment complex over there. Or this is rather the back part. Nice little rest area. Alright, let's Ooh, something moved over here. Wonder if it was a squirrel. Hope it's a squirrel. See the limb shaking, guys? Don't know what it. Oh, it's a squirrel. He's eating. Oh. Shy. He's shy. Try to take a picture. He came out and he saw me and he went right back in. It's a shy squirrel. Okay guys, so squirrels are shy. I just learned that. He won't let me take a picture of him. Anyways, onward we go. Onward we go. Nice, it's a bridge, wood bridge. I think it leads to that apartment over there. Okay, so at least I'm not far from civilization. Or too far, I should say. That and that over there as well. It's good. I don't know. You could tell me. Okay, seems like we're going back to the trail again. Guys, right now I just want you to comment right now and subscribe. Let me know if you would walk on the trail by yourself like I did, cause me, it's a G. We have some more water going on. You know, I'm gonna go for it. This is it, guys. I'm going in. Looking for snakes. Ooh, why am I on top of this? Whoa, these are rocks. Okay, I'll step on this one and this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, guys. Whoa. What do we have here? Whoa, 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 whoa. No snakes. Okay. Alright, guys. Ooh. Don't see anything on there. Nothing is here. Ooh. Going in, guys. We're going in. Ooh! Echo! Alright, guys. I'm in the creepy tunnel. It's very creepy. I can hear my sound echoing. Oops! There's a spider. Don't touch me, spider. Okay, this is the creek that I discovered. Or whatever this is. Okay. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that actually very did. That was very steep. Found water, guys. Let's look for marine life or aquatic life. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was scary. This is a tire. And things live on the tires. So let's go up here. Okay, it won't break with me. Ooh, didn't break, thank God. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna jump right here. Ooh. This is very stagnant for a water body. I wonder if this freezes when it's winter, like when it's cold and snowing. Smells bad. I'm scared to walk here. I just don't wanna step and fall in another dimension. Okay. Okay, there's this log and a hose. Damn, guys, look how the tree rooted out. Damn. Alright, this is fun. No, babe. If I say, babe, don't do that. I know, mother. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, mother. No, babe or mother. Alright, now try. Now try it. Now try to go on this log. Hopefully I don't fall. This is dirty water, guys. Dirty water. Seems pretty sturdy. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, ooh, I made it. Okay. Alright. Whoa. I've deviated far. Oops, oops, oops. Think I can make it across, guys? Nope. Not wait. Actually, I can do it. But if I fall in, yeah. Not a good idea. Ain't gonna be doing that. Or both head back to the road. Yeah, good idea. Just to give you some context of what I'm stepping on and through, this is it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ow, wow. Wow. Man, look at my shoes. Damn. Alright. Oh, I reach back up there, so now. Whew. Okay, let's see. Stay on these stones. Ooh. Whoa. Guys, I actually nearly fall. Whew. Never again, guys. Never again. So I made it, guys. I made it. The shortcut works. Wait. We have something here. I'll show you. Okay, so this is Buckner's Trestle was a wooden bridge built by the Mississippi Central Railroad in the late 1850s. This trestle was the site of 2 train wrecks. On February 25th, 1870, the 3 p.m. mail carrier left Oxford heading south towards Water Valley. The engine, a baggage car, a mail car, and the first passenger car made it over the trestle before it gave way. The other cars plunged into the ravine below, claiming the lives of 20 passengers and injuring more than 60 others. Damn, this is from the archives. So, you're telling me that I was just on some possibly dead people? Me gone! So guys, I nearly... Okay, so I'm almost sure I'm at a mile now. I didn't see any signs, but I realized that I'm losing the light even quicker than I thought. So, what to do? March on, my friend. Marching on to Zion. Alright. I like how these roads full of these, wrecks. Okay guys, if I see anything interesting, I'll let you know. So, onward we go. Don't feel like anybody watching me anymore. I think that little stunt going over there so off the person or something that might have been watching me. So me win! Yeah! Guys, you see the squirrel? Let me zoom in for you. He's not moving, but he's there. There he is. Oh, there he is. Oh, where's all this hiding? Squirrel! 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 I think that's my third video on a squirrel by now. I think it's safe to say I'm slightly fascinated by how quickly they move. And then I realized that this is Sandy and SpongeBob. Oh wow. There are lots of stones here. Well, I hope the branch not. Oh, there's some weird stones up here. I think it's birds though. So let's go check it out. Onward we go! Yes, finally. Reach 1 mile, guys. Wow. Wow. Finally. After let me work it out for you. After 36 minutes, I reached 1 mile. So I think I can go to 2 miles and turn back. I'll see. Maybe 1.5. Because if there isn't any sunlight, I'm going back. I won't be that guy in the woods in the night. Okay, so another private property. Oh wow, there's a trampoline. But the people like to live in these bushes though. Why would I choose to live with all this in my backyard? Without any fence. Not a backside. Okay, learn to sail. Blackjack sailing. This is not a paid ads, but rather a random thing that I saw. Okay guys, so again, we're back on the trail, moving at the speed of light. People house, no want to video nobody house, but just a show how the place look, people. Oh, look at that. Okay, we're at another private property, and this is a for sale sign by the owner. Yay! And onward we, oh wow guys, look at the trail, the never ending trail. Look at that. Damn. Everybody is heading back and I'm heading forward. Not me going forward when everybody going back. Didn't bring any water, didn't bring any gloves. Totally unprepared. But you know what I have? My phone to record. Well, I'm recording on the other one, but yeah, you get the point. Okay, this part of the trail has a little odor smell like feces, like dog. So I don't like it. Oh. Oh. I think somebody put that sign there. Okay, Caitlin, we found your trail, Caitlin. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I'm seeing a pond, and I really want to go over there. Looks really dark, like dirty dark. Let me show you on the camera. Let me turn it around. That's the pond, guys. That little brown that you're seeing, that's the pond. There's no way over there. Oh, definitely an expedition. You know, I'm going though. Guys, the trail is getting narrower and narrower and lonelier and lonelier. Anyways, everybody like behind me turn back. So I'm by myself now. Wow. Okay. Mission, get across to that dirty pond. Engage. Guys, I found Lake Placid. That's the lake. Now, how to get across there? Oops, oops, oops. Okay. Alright, let's go this way. Wow. This looks deep. Wow, wow, wow. There must be a way around, guys. There must be a way around. Okay, as you can see currently, I'm off the main and I'm down. I'm heading towards that lake over there. So, just trying to give, oops, oh, ow. Can't stress enough how glad I am. I can't stress enough how glad I am that I am by myself, because if my wife or my mother was here, I wouldn't be able to do all of this. So I'm coming up on the lake now. Lake is up there. Remember, I'm coming from all the way up there. Whew. Okay, let me turn around the camera for you. Guys, this is a hole. Don't know what lives. Okay. Whew. Something Damn, this lake is still. How do I get up? Oh, oh. Ow, every time the makaya jump me, the same dirty makaya. Okay guys, I found the lake. Not going any closer still. Don't know what's in there. Maybe we can go as close as to here. Found the lake guys. Lake Placid. Wow. So let me make this clear. I didn't do this to get views. I am doing this so I recorded it, if that makes sense. You know, some people put themselves in danger for views. That's not me. This is me by nature, just capturing it and sharing a part of my journey with you guys. Okay? Get that straight. Okay, so clearly, oh guys, this is a little channel, you know, you see this? It runs from the lake, run underground. That's why water is settled there and it goes that way. Maybe that's why so much water is over that side. I just hope I don't see any beer or anything. The ground feels hello. Huh? Okay, so clearly people know about this lake. There are 2 chairs over there. People that just come here. Well, it's a great place to write a book, meditate, edit a YouTube video, seek the Lord, whatever you want to do. Don't even know how deep it is, but that's fine. Alright guys. Alright. Whew. Time to head back. Oh. Didn't venture too far. Ow! It's dirty maca. Jesus, no sir. The maca they ever joke me. Okay, I found the trail. That's it. So I need to head back. Somebody jogging there. Thank you, person, for jogging so I could find my way back. This tree is a little bit weird, don't you think? Yep, definitely weird. Guys, let's see how long it's gonna take me to get back up there in 3, 2, 1. Oh, 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 oh. Get in there. Whew. I found. Whew. Okay, guys, so it took me like about 30 seconds to reach, and we're coming up to the 1.5 mile. I'm so tired. Whew. This looks cool. Like a little hat. The hill wearing a hat, guys. The hill is wearing a hat. How cool is that? Okay, we're at the 1.5 mark. Yeah. Okay, we turn back at 2 miles. So half more mile to go. Oh, and there is company again, so yeah, feel safe. Alright guys, keep it posted. Okay guys, I'm 2 miles onto the trail. I'm currently by myself, nobody in front of me. Somebody just passed me, but yeah, whew, 2.5 mile video in walking by myself. All by myself, I'm doing this. Really glad say my mother and my wife not there with me right now because some of the places that we go check out, I know some couldn't go. Them would end up on, no beer, no Adrian, no. But guess what? Bam! I went and I recorded it. So you have to go believe me when I show you it. Check out the YouTube video dropping at 8 p.m. sharp. Okay guys, I reached the 2 mile checkpoint and there are many fishes as usual. Oh, that is cool. So reach another checkpoint. X marks the spot as you can see here. Yep. So we're doing half mile more maybe. And then we head back to the yard. We go. Yeah. It's always good to see like people because I've been by myself for a while now. So I'm gonna pass them out clearly, but yeah, it's good to see people though. Guys, this dog is so huge. Like, look at him. Damn, so huge. And then the sky is falling. Okay guys, so I'm still going. I'll soon reach the 2.5 miles. And I think that's where I'm gonna turn back because it's getting dark and I ain't nobody catching me in the woods in the dark. So, alright, keep you posted. Nothing interesting to see, but there are some steeper hills, definitely. Look where the road is. No, that's a long way. So remember previously we were up and we were looking down. Now we're down looking way up. So yeah. Another squirrel, guys. Oops. And he's running away. Hey, squirrel. Hey, squirrel. Hey, squirrel. Squirrel. Oops, he's gone. Okay, guys, I found another bridge. Voila. I can hear cars over there, so I'm assuming the highway isn't too far. And my little company is way up there. Guys, just found another trail and I made sure to keep my key on me because I don't want it to lose or anything. Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Okay guys, so I officially turned back because ain't nobody going further than 2.5 miles as this is the bridge. So we'll basically be covering the same things that we just saw. But, oh, look at that. Look at that creek. Look at that creek. Definitely cool stuff. Okay guys, I found a whisk, or I think it's a whisk. I'm gonna check to see how strong it is. Hopefully it don't come down. Guess it's strong. Oops. Sorry. Okay guys, I found a bamboo and it's really cool. It makes this whooshing sound. And it can be used as a sword. Check this out. Wow. See that? See that? Guys, if you watch Naruto, look. It's Toby's mask. Look guys, it's Toby's mask. That's so cool. On my way back and this person is pushing down every tree that they see. Or it could be that they are just stretching. Creeks everywhere, guys. Oh yeah, they're definitely stretching. I am 1.5 miles from the entrance and I am just ready to get out of these woods or off this trail. Ready to get off this trail. This was a good little walk. Good little walk, guys. Guys, fight are going, fight are going, fight are going, fight are going. Rushing me up. He might hide this one, him not see. Soon spot him. Big fight are going, people. Alright guys, I'm finally taking a shortcut. Hopefully it leads me. I'm walking here. This is bush. I hope me not get lost. Whew. Whew. Hopefully I don't get lost. This is going further and further into the bush. Oh God. Well, I can't see the trail anymore, but I'm not stopping here. Whew. Okay guys, I think I am deep into this shortcut trail. Maybe it was a bad idea. Whew. Different view though, for sure. Okay, what have we here? What is this? Oh boy. Turn back. Nah, keep going. Shortcut, we say. Okay, there's some blue marking on the so I'm following them. Wow, that squirrel is big. Why is this arrow point? Says go that way. I'm going in circles. Okay. Yes, I'm going in circles. Guys, I'm officially lost. Guys, it was a bad idea. I'm going in circles. I just passed this blue marker. Jesus. And it's getting late, you know? No man, where we come from? Wait. Oh boy. Jesus help me. Help me, Lord. Ooh. Ooh. Oh boy. This is not funny, guys. This is not funny. What the hell? Guys, would you turn back if you were me? Look at this. Bottles. Onward we go. Oh, there's some blue marker here. Okay. Blue marker. Now walk a backside. This is a further than a bush me I go. Like an idiot. Now turn back here. Whew. Guys, officially I got to turn back. My last thing, I can't last no more. Jesus. Alright, I'm going to film. I cut the video and try to find a way out. Because this is not funny anymore. This is not funny anymore. Jesus Christ. Guys, I'm not joking anymore. Anybody? Hello? Hello? Guys, I've been going in circles. Jesus, Savior. Circles, we're going on circles. Hello? Anybody? Like me, I wish somebody on the trail with a pass or one dog bark or something. Hello? Hello? Anybody? Jesus, save. I hear dogs barking. Okay. Ah, thank God. Guys, I hear one dog bark. Thank God. Thank God. I'm fine back here tree now. Jesus. That was scary. Me not lie. That was very scary. Not doing that again. You saw how long me there stay up on the trail? Me gone venture off now in a bush and last. Well, to be honest, I actually thought about lasting myself, but me actually lost it too. So that wasn't acting. Jesus, thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Guys, like, I don't even want to film anymore, so this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video, alright? Thanks for watching. If you're watching me, like, just thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Like me, come go me yard. Alright, stay totally safe and totally Thomas. I mean, I tell people, stay totally safe, totally Thomas. I mean, I stay totally safe, like a big idiot. Peace. Okay, I've made it back to the car where I started. Feel much better. Made it back to the car where I started. Feel much better now. Like, I'm sorry if I, overreacted earlier, but really took a toll on me, So, head home now, edit the video, upload it. You know what to do. Bring on home with me, guys. Bringing you home with me.
Phone book update failed.
Okay. Thanks for stating the obvious. Deep calm. I was standing. Indicator. Turning on. Guys, look and tell me if I don't say babe. Babe, what you know? Are the wind there? Watch babe. Babe, look at that.